Good morning, class. Today is Thursday, May 28th. I am back for our morning meeting. And my question of the day is, what are balls made of? So what are balls made of? What do you think balls are made out of? What materials? So balls are typically made out of leather, rubber, or plastic. Footballs are made of leather, sometimes basketballs. Toy balls at home might be made out of a plasticky rubber. Baseballs, I believe, are made out of leather, and they help keep the balls strong and easy to grab, grasp, and throw. And I want to introduce today two words. My two words that I would like to talk about today are hollow and solid. So it's going to be a little different since I'm doing this on a video, but hollow is when you have something and there is space in the middle. So there's an outer portion, but the inside space, there's space inside and it's hollow. So I'm going to show you a few examples of what I mean. This ball is hollow because there is no inside to it. You can go through it. The inside is empty. Do you see all this space in here? That means it is hollow. This ball is hollow as well because if I cut this open, there would be space on the inside, right? So these are hollow. They have space on the inside. And you may have heard of something at home that is hollow, like around Easter time. Sometimes you will eat a hollow chocolate bunny. And that means that the outside of the bunny, you see the chocolate, but when you bite on the inside is empty and there's space inside. So that is hollow. The other word I want to talk about is solid. So when something is solid, it goes all the way through. So if I were to cut this ball in half, a real baseball, there would be no space inside. It would be filled. The whole middle would be filled. There would be no space. That means it is solid. I'm going to show you an example here. I have a ball made out of Play-Doh. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this in half to show you what the inside will look like of something that is solid. So I'm going to cut this in half. Okay. And do you see that? The inside, it is solid all the way through. There's no space. It goes all the way through. That is solid. Do you see the difference of something that is solid and hollow? This has no space inside, and this has lots of space inside. Just has like a shell on the outside. But there's lots of space in here. This is hollow, and this is solid. So you might be able to find things at home that are hollow and solid. Something else that you might find in your yard that's solid would be a rock. Because if you cut that rock in half, I bet you it's going to look like this on the inside. No space and all filled up. You might find something at home that is hollow, like this type of ball that I have. Like I said, a chocolate bunny. And you're going to notice them more now. If I had a hollow Play-Doh ball that I cut in half, when I cut it in half, it would look like this. Because there would be all that space on the inside. Sorry guys, it's hard to tell. Do you see that? That would be a hollow ball, and this would be solid. This has no space. This has space on the inside. So try and find things at home that are hollow and solid. See what you guys come up with. So today for our morning center activity, we are going to do a cut and paste balls. It looks like this. You have half of a football, half of a soccer ball, half of a basketball, and half of a baseball. I want you to cut out the other halves and glue them on where they go to finish the picture. So I hope you have fun with this, and I will see you guys this afternoon for religion. Bye, guys.